important.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to find out. Um,
Yeah.
well, this one first thing I want to do is have you reiterate that to me, or have me reiterate it to you that way I understand it. So, we have two integers listed in what type of data structure?
Just two arrays.
Oh, just two arrays.
More than whatever it is. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, basically two arrays. Both of them are sorted integer lists. And we want to find the intersection.
Okay. All right. Quickest thing.
Let me give you some example then to make it a little bit easier to understand. So let's say we have one array as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
And another one as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the intersection would be 2, 4, and 6.
Oh, okay.
Those are the numbers that appear in both of them, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So instead of saying an intersection, it's more of saying which integers appear in both arrays.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah, I was confused because I was about to say binary search. I'm glad you told me.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So how I would begin this problem? First, since they're in a sorted list, and you said from small to large, right? So, first things first. Go through the first list, and this is test one. So, excuse me if this is a slow approach. Go through the first list, and since the first list is only 6 items or 6 elements, I should not have to worry about speed.
For this example, it's 6, but it could be a longer, right?
Okay, so that's what I needed to know. So okay.
Okay.
All right, so the arrays in question could be any size, right?
Right. Yes.
All right.
And they could be in different sizes. Yes.
All right, cool. So 2 arrays and of different or large sizes need to find integers that appear in both. That are most. Is this a most common, or if they appear more than once? Are any integers duplicates?
Let's say there's no duplicates.
Okay.
Yeah.
No duplicates. All right. All right. So.
No duplicates in each array, but there could be like same numbers in between arrays, right? So that's why we need to find the intersection. Yeah.
All right. Well, okay. My first approach would be, let's see. Let me just think about this for a second. Way I can articulate it. If I run through, it would. That would be too slow. All right. So first approach is run through the first array, and create a third or list, and every time check both arrays against each other. Every time a duplicate appears, or duplicate meaning a number in either one array that appears in another, take that number and put it in the third list. That would be, I know that would be very slow. That would be the first version.
Okay.
Okay.
So your approach is basically, how do you find that they appear in both? That's my question.
Okay. Well, let's say trying I'll just use a coding language. Let's say I was doing it in Java.
Okay.
So
Do you want me to use Java? I can do that.
Java, JavaScript, it doesn't matter. I just
Yeah,
it's
no, it's not going to run yet. So it's just for the syntax highlighting stuff.
okay. Yeah. This is for me to better articulate.
Okay.
So if I wanted to do that, normal search. Alright. So, quick question. Right now, you want me to explain to you how I would approach a situation, how I would compare each integer and each array, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So I'll just either, I don't know if I should use recursion right now. I think that's a little bit too much, but this is simply, I'll just throw it in a for loop, search for the index, a nested for loop, search for the index in 1 versus the index in next. Oh, I'm sorry, am I cutting you off?
No.
Okay. All right, and and then do a condition statement if integer appears at element I and appears at element j, then I don't know if I should. Am I allowed to, or should? I shouldn't say should. Am I allowed to manipulate the original arrays, or should I just? Actually, no. I'll just put it in. I'll just put it in a third array.
Okay, you're going to rearrange it, or?
No. I'm not. I'm not going to manipulate the original data. Just put it in. Just put it in a third array. I don't want to touch the masters.
Yeah.
All right. Push it to a third array and go through that. Then I would have it. Let's say there's no duplicates and a finite number in each array, even if they're different. It would be very slow though if it was, let's say 1 million records. So to speed that process up, I can use any number of algorithms. My go-to is always binary search when I'm dealing with Java. Just because that is efficient enough for the work I do. How much detail do you want me to go in these questions, or am I doing all well?
No. If you think that you get the full picture of the algorithm, just go ahead and do the coding. That's fine.
Okay. All right. So I don't know how much time I had. All right. So you already put the linting for Java, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So. Actually, you know what? Okay. Alright, let's. Actually, would you rather me be quicker and do it as? I think you originally had it either in JavaScript or this with no linting. I know we're.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
So what do you prefer? You JavaScript?
Yeah, that's fine. It doesn't matter. It's fine. I'll just keep on going.
Okay, I change it. Yeah. Yeah, what it changes is just the syntax highlighting, so it really doesn't change anything. Don't worry about that.
Okay. All right. So, actually. I'm never a good person with names, so I apologize for
Don't worry about that.
for that. I know my old boss used to tell me that, like, you need to get more descriptive with your
Okay.
names. Okay. So anyway, actually, since I already explained that one, if I use recursion, no, whatever. I'll run through it. I'm gonna do a nested for loop. So, whatever. Or I could do a for each. There's so many possibilities. I'm running through it. I'm getting nervous.
Oh, don't worry about the actual syntax. So we just assume that.
No. As I run through this, I'm thinking of like better options and better like ways to do it. So,
Okay.
Okay. So I guess I'll just articulate it while I'm doing it this way. So a better approach might be using and that's why I say JavaScript, using a for each, because I believe they deprecated it in Java, but